Hi guys, it's Kev at Autobright. We're just going to do another how-to video for you because the ones that we've done have proved so popular. So one of the ones that we get asked about quite a lot is our SuperSonic, which is our SiO2 nano coating. So the family of SuperSonic, there are two products. You've got the coating itself, you've also got a QD. So the quick detailer works like a top-up product, so it helps to maintain the finish. So SuperSonic itself, it's a water-based product. It's SiO2 infused as well, so it gives really good protection, really good water beading, but it is safe on the majority of surfaces. The one thing you've got to sort of look out for with SuperSonic is there is no curing time. So it's apply, spread and remove. The technique I'll show you in a second. This product will give you 12 months durability from a single coating. It continues to cure for up to 3 weeks. So the gloss levels that you get on first application will actually improve over time. If you want to layer this, you can do, but we recommend at least an hour between coats. And obviously you want to leave it at least sort of 12 hours before getting it wet to give it the maximum chance of bonding to the paintwork. So for application, what we're going to do is use a standard short pile towel. So I'm going to spray it, not over applying the product itself. Use my standard towel, I'm going to spread that out over the panel, so it's all right over the vinyl stickers as well, because it is water based. So I'm going to go in like a crosshatch pattern. I'm going to take my second towel, which is going to be a mini Reaper buffing towel, which is that one, and then I'm basically just going to buff it off. Now when you start to buff it, you will feel there's a little bit of resistance, but as you buff it, you should feel it start to go smooth. So once that goes smooth, that then means that I've removed all the excess products, and all that's left will be a layer of fantastic protection. As you can see, really good gloss. There is no issues with using it over things like vinyl stickers. However, what we would say is if you are going to use it over a large area of vinyl, divide it into smaller sections and make sure that you remove the residue as soon as possible, just to avoid any possible issues. So the product itself works really well on paintwork, it works really well on alloy wheels as well. Can also be used on glass, but don't apply it to your windscreen. Really fantastic product, beads water amazingly, one of our favourites. So if you haven't tried it, give it a go. Cheers guys.
Hi everyone, so following on from what Kev introduced to you, I'm going to introduce you SuperSonic QD. It is also part of the SuperSonic family. It can be used as a top-up for the SuperSonic coating, that's what it's designed for. Also works well as a standalone product, as just a standalone quick detailer. It works well on top of waxes as well. It adds some protection and improves gloss, although it is designed to go over the SuperSonic coating and bond with the SiO2 in it, because it does contain some SiO2. It's not difficult to use. It's my favourite product in our entire range by a long shot. I absolutely love the stuff. Now, all you need to do is apply a couple of sprays to a clean panel. Spread it around gently, and you want to spread it around until it sort of feels like it's almost disappearing and evaporating. And when it starts going from tacky to slippery and soft, turn your towel over and buff the excess off. Nice and easy, and you get a nice, smooth, glossy finish. Really good at getting rid of water spots, and as I said, it's good for topping up the SuperSonic coating. If your coating's wearing out, you know, you'll start to lose some of the hydrophobicity from the coating, although the sealant will still be protecting, and this will add to it. Thanks for watching.